motovlogging for some time. No ideas for a video, but yeah, since it's a nice day to ride, sunny, so I thought I'll do a short motovlog while I'm on the way to work. So yeah, I'll be going on a ride soon, in a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, riding up from KL all the way to Patani, Thailand. We'll be going through Kuala Kangsar Creek and then go to Rantau Abang in Terengganu, then all the way up through Kelantan to Sungai Kolok in Narathiwat, Thailand. Maybe take a lunch there and then shoot up straight to Patani and spend a night in Patani, which we have not booked yet. Well, we just reached there and then we try to find a place to stay lah. And after Patani, next day we'll ride down to Yala, Betong. Go down to Betong, stay one night, and then after that, on the next morning, early morning, we'll go out and head up towards Ayawang, which is the tourist attraction in Betong. We were supposed to go there the last ride up when we were in Betong and Hat Yai, but everybody was too lazy. Yeah, lazy, and maybe enjoyed a little bit too much the night before, so we couldn't make it for that early morning ride up. So this is the ride up. The main purpose is to go to Ayawang, but since going to Betong is so, it's going to be a short ride, so I came up with the idea to go up to Sungai Kolok, and then another guy suggested we shoot up a bit more up to Patani, which is fine by me since I haven't been to both places yet. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice ride, I hope. I wish, and I hope that the weather is fine. Let the motorbike cross, please. Thank you. Arigato. Oh, signal. So yeah, after 1.5 months, I think so, yeah, since our last ride, we're going up to Thailand again. Actually, I don't mind where we are going, I just want to ride. But yeah, going to places which I've never been before would be nice, because it's the ride up which is fun. You know, the riding is the one that is fun, not the location, not the destination. I mean, the destination will be fun, but yeah, we're more of the ride up, you know, the journey. Yeah, that's the right word, the journey up. So I'm testing out my setup with my chain mounted GoPro, and then the GoPro mounted at the handlebar. Oh yeah, handlebar, yeah. Trying to do some editing, you know. I haven't done any editing before. I only know how to do graphic design, but not video editing. That's my sister's forte. But yeah, you know, it's time to learn new things. you know, and have fun doing these moto vlogs. So yep, I think that's about it. I don't want to talk too long. Just try to send out the message that my next ride is coming. People have been asking me, wow, you crazy lah, you just got your bike, you go here, you go there, you go here, you go there. Then I answer them, then I get the bike for what? Huh? Park at home, just take to go to work. Alright, I need to go and explore. I need to use the bike. I need to be one with the bike. How? Lots of train of thought because of these people don't let me want to pass. HRV, pergilah kanan sikit, bagilah saya lepas. Thank you. I'm riding a scooter, but this scooter is not small, you know. So let me pass lah. I don't want to hit your side mirrors. See, like this Camry, mother, father. They call this lane filtering. I pun baru tahu what's called lane filtering. Water filter I know lah. Oh. Hello. Oh yeah, forgot about it. I'm getting my cargo today. Was planning to hold off on it, hold on to this purchase till later in the year, but then I was thinking to myself, I'll still buy it at the end, right? So yeah, why don't I just get it first and then use it for this trip, now get used to it. It's not a cheap purchase, but well, I hope it will last for a long time, for many years to come, so that it's gonna be a worthy purchase. Thank you for letting the bike pass. Thank you. I like drivers like this, you know. You really see the motorbike coming, you let them pass, everybody is happy, no road rage. Make everybody stay happy, no stress. I think I'll end this vlog here because I don't know what else to say. Mind blank already. So okay, till the next video. Bye guys, see you.